Hello and welcome to Roofing Quick Tips, where we answer your roofing questions in 60 seconds or less. Today, we're going over flat roof cost. There are two types of materials that you can install on a flat roof. There's metal and membrane. Let's go ahead and go down the list and state the costs. For membrane, which is EPDM, TPO, and PVC, you can expect to pay around $6 to $9 per square foot on a small flat area of your roof, and about $5 per square foot roughly if we're talking about a larger area. But for these larger commercial projects, you'll see the price go down further and further the more square footage you add. For the two types of metal roofs, there's screw-down metal roofs, which cost around $4.50 per square foot, but you're going to have to account a little bit more for the maintenance costs that you'll be paying with that roof style. And then there's your standing seam metal roof, which will cost you around $12 to $15 per square foot. Of course, these numbers are just ballparks, and they're going to change depending on the type of contractor you have, as well as other factors. If you want to learn a lot more on what factors affect the cost of your roof, then check out our video below on the cost of roof replacement. I'm Brandon Hafeli. Thank you for watching today's quick tip, and I'll see you next time.